Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel, you guys. Yancy here. All right, Merry Vlogmas. Yes, it is a first day of Vlogmas and I'm excited. Okay, so this is my first time doing it. Hopefully I do it right. Hopefully I do it justice and you guys enjoy it and love it. And if you do, please go ahead and give a like. You know, those big old thumbs up, go ahead and give that. Comment below, let me know what you think. And then subscribe, because Vlogmas is gonna be a doozy. And I say that because it's a lot. I'm putting up a video every day up until Christmas, all right? And I want you to be able to enjoy it. So again, Vlogmas day 1, all right, December 1st. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm excited. I love Christmas, everything about it. If I can keep decorations up all year round, I would do it. But it will take away the joy of enjoying Christmas and putting it up, so I don't do that. Also for the sake of my family, because they don't even want to see it earlier than Thanksgiving or Halloween anyway. But, you know, they do it, just oblige me. Either which way, again, Yancy here. If you guys have not already subscribed, please do so. Go ahead and pause the video. Go ahead and subscribe. We are at 1,000+ subscribers, and it's all because of you guys, and I appreciate you and I thank you. I have that community tab now, so I can definitely start doing some polls, asking you guys what you want to see, what you're interested in, you know, just previewing the next video coming up, stuff like that. Telling you about giveaways. Basically, I'm saying all this to say December 1st through January 5th, I am going to be loading you up with holiday content. All right? So enjoy, thumbs up, comment, let me know what you think. All right? So basically, day 1 Vlogmas, I'm just going to introduce myself to you, kind of tell you a little bit about me. I guess without giving too much away or whatever like that, because I definitely want to do a Q&A, and I will do that later on down the line, probably sometime early next year or whatever like that. But basically, Yancy here. My channel, Yancy Will, is a luxury lifestyle channel. I love everything luxury. Life is just what it is. I'm a mom of 4, a wife for umpteen years. And I literally mean that. We've been married for decades. I know it doesn't look like it. Thank you. But we've been married for a long time. We just moved into our brand new house. We adore it. We love it. And we are so very grateful. Didn't even think that we would be able to get what we have now. And we did. And we were happy and we were grateful. I am sitting in my closet, which is basically going to be turned into my cloffice. I got that term from Monroe Steele. I watch her religiously. I love her channel. But either which way, I literally am just going to enjoy the Christmas holiday. This is the first Christmas for us in this brand new house, and we're going to enjoy. We don't have all of our furniture. We don't even have our fridge right now or whatever, but the fact that I don't even care because I am that happy that we were able to even get the house before the holidays, I'm content. I'm content. So definitely I'm going to do it all up for Vlogmas for you guys. All right. So the content is going to come every single day. Hopefully the videos are not too long because I want to do them like short. That way you can just enjoy them. Look at it. It's going to be vlog style content, hence Vlogmas. All right. So that's what I'm going to do. It's going to be kind of like shopping with me, decor shopping, you know, cooking with me, cleaning with me, decorating with me, stuff like that. So yeah, you know, probably gonna sprinkle in like, you know, a bag or two, hopefully. We'll see. All right, but that's just really what it is. So yeah, my channel is basically about luxury items. As you can see here, that's my Kors bag. That is a Kate Spade bag. I have a few other bags in the back. Do not mind this. That's my computer. We are kind of like, you know, gamers. What's back there? Those are my watches that's back there. You have this Henry Bendel section that's over here. And of course, everything else is up above me. And then all my clothes, it's kind of like, you know, basically all of this is actually all of my workout. And I say workout, but it's really just my loungewear, you know, some sweatshirts in the back and you know, some pants to kind of like go walking and stuff like that. So yeah, that's really just it. This closet is going to be done up so differently probably in the next few months, because I'm still trying to decide what I want to do. I don't know yet. Currently right now, this what I'm recording on is actually sitting on stacks of sneakers, because I'm a sneaker girl, if you guys did not already know that. But I will always constantly tell you. So either which way, you guys follow me on Instagram, because you'll probably see a lot of my sneakers, a lot of my shoes, bags, stuff like that. And I know I'm probably talking so fast because I do not want for this to go too long, because it's really just an introduction of Vlogmas day one, letting you know about myself, what I plan to do. But that is just it. And like I said, subscribe if you want more content like bag videos, try on hauls, you know, cook with me, decorate with me, clean with me, stuff like that. Because again, luxury lifestyle life, that is just what it is. That is me. Subscribe. Click that bell notification. That way you get notified each and every single time, you guys, that I upload, and you do not miss a thing. Because again, it's Vlogmas. I want you to be able to enjoy. It's going to be me telling you a lot about some bags, some gifts, you know, decorating, cleaning, stuff like that. And I tend to clean a little bit later because, you know, everybody is asleep. Everybody is out of my way, and things are just kind of like just around. So you'll probably see a lot of night cleaning, even though I like day cleaning because, you know, the sun is out and I enjoy it. But either which way, that is it. Yancy, thank you for joining me. Welcome to Vlogmas, and here we go. I'll see you later. Bye. Happy Vlogmas.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you